Okay, hello and welcome to Regent Phu Quoc. I'm going to give you a tour of the resort entry-level room, which is called an Ocean View Suite. It's about 78 square meters. It's so cool because the view is amazing, and I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. So here we are. You walk immediately into the suite's walk-in wardrobe. Then turn again into the left and you're into the bathroom. Dual sinks, Aqua de Parma products for every room in this property. This huge shower, which I was really surprised to see. You can see again, 2 shower heads up there on the side. There I am. Japanese style toilets, heated seats, electronic gizmos for every room. Then leads into this desk area, bar area here. The mini bar, the light is amazing, isn't it? The sun is just about to set. The resort faces west, so you get amazing sunsets every evening. There's actually, maybe I can show you, a mirrored partition here. Oh, there we go, that splits off the bathroom from the bedroom, but I just had it open up earlier. So in one of these drawers, I'm just looking around. Oh yeah, your mini bar. All the stuff in the minibar is free. You also get free chocolate, crisps, things like that. It's very generous, the resort here. Then you have this super comfy bed facing the ocean again. The light is amazing. This happens to be a really nice time to film. You have this very generous balcony. And then, hold on, let me try and not give away the view too much. So this beautiful balcony space. And then there you go. This is the Gulf of Thailand. We're at the edge of Vietnam. Next stop in that direction is Phuket. So here you have it. This is an entry-level room at the Regent Phu Quoc Resort in Western Vietnam at sunset. Oh, TV there, by the way, but you probably won't watch it too much. The resort itself is fantastic, really amazing facilities. There's 262 pools at this property. The beach is incredible. The water is hot all year round. I'm a big fan. There you have it.